Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy chocolate kulfi recipe made without refined sugar, dairy milk, cream, corn flour or maida. Super healthy chocolate treat to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the kulfi, I'm using 15 to 20 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Instead of almonds, you can use soaked cashew nuts. Almonds has phytates which may prevent nutrient absorption and may cause digestive issues to some people. So it's always ideal to soak almonds overnight and then peel and use them. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the soaked and peeled almonds. Into this I'm adding in half cup of water, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoon raw cacao powder. Instead of raw cacao powder, you can use unsweetened cocoa powder. 4 to 5 soft medjool dates. Note that the dates I am using are very soft, hence it's easily blendable. However, if your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak it in water and then add it into the blender. You can increase or decrease dates to suit your taste. I prefer to use soft medjool dates as it is easily blendable. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Okay, now it's nicely blended. Next I'm adding in 2 ripe banana. I'm going to slice the banana and add it into the blender jar. And I'm going to blend all this really well. Let me just show you how creamy the kulfi mix has come out. You can see how perfectly it has blended. Transfer the mix into the kulfi mold. Once the molds are filled, tap it lightly on the counter to release air bubbles if there are any. And I'm going to keep it in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight. And the next day or after the kulfi is nicely frozen, I'm going to demold the kulfi. And for that, I'm immersing the kulfi into a glass which has some water, room temperature water. And I'm immersing it for about 5 to 10 seconds and then gently pull out the chocolate kulfi from the mold. You can sprinkle some finely chopped nuts on top. And my super healthy chocolate kulfi is ready to serve. Alternatively, you can demold the kulfi bar like I'm showing. And then gently pull out the kulfi bar. Sprinkle some finely chopped nuts on top. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate kulfi and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.